Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through different ways to find your Bitlocker recovery key. The first way is by using a Microsoft account. If you've set up Bitlocker yourself, your recovery key is likely associated with your Microsoft account. So simply go to https, that is this particular address over here. Good. So once you go here, sign in with your Microsoft account. Your Bitlocker recovery key will be displayed next to your device. Second method you can use is the PowerShell method. So open PowerShell as an administrator on your computer, type the following command and press enter. This is the command you type and press enter. So once you've done that, don't forget to replace the C with the drive letter of your encrypted drive. If it is not C, it might be drive D or drive E. So don't forget to replace that. Then you will see your 48-digit recovery key and it will be displayed under password. Next step is the physical or digital record. If you've saved the key, maybe you've written it somewhere, you can check any physical or digital records where you might have saved the key, such as a printout, USB drive, or file. The last one is to contact your IT administrator. If your device was set up by your workplace or school, contact your IT administrator for assistance. Please keep your recovery key safe, so it's in a secure location such as passport manager or a physical safe. If you cannot still find your key, there are data recovery services that may be able to help, but they can be expensive. So by following these steps, you should be able to find your Bitlocker recovery and access a Bitlocker recovery key and access your encrypted data. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.